This is the setting up video for the 420A dual chamber wire myograph. We're going to follow the setting up section of the 420A user guide. However, the force calibration procedure will be pulled out into a separate video. So today we will discuss aligning the mounts for experimentation. Anytime you are working in the chamber, you need to be very cautious with the force transducer side, as this is a very sensitive piece of equipment that is collecting the small forces from your isolated tissue. To get the most accurate data from your experiments, you will want to make sure that your two sides are perfectly aligned. You will need the small screwdriver, the larger of the two Allen keys that came with your system, and the ball-end screwdriver. You will start by making sure that the force transducer mount is flat and level. If you need to loosen it, you will loosen the middle screw and make sure it is flat when you secure it again. As always, be cautious when working with this side. Use as little force as necessary. You will then use the positioner side to match the force transducer side. To visualize this, the mount and the micrometer are both attached to this steel plate. There is a metal ball bearing in the middle of the chamber underneath this plate. In order to get it close, you will loosen this arm using the ball-end screwdriver, which will allow you to roughly match the force transducer side. Then you will use the Allen key to tighten or loosen the 4 positioner screws. In order to do this, visualize moving this plate when you tighten or loosen the screws, which will adjust the mount connected to this positioner. So if you were to tighten the front right screw, it would tilt the entire plate down and to the right. You will continue to make small adjustments with these 4 screws until your two sides match. In this instance, the far chamber was misaligned. We will start with a coarse adjustment using the ball-end screwdriver. By loosening this, we can get the jaws roughly to the same alignment. By then moving the jaws close together, you can see if they touch at the same time on both sides. They look very good. You can see that this side is slightly higher than the other side. So we will just need a small adjustment to lower that side. By tightening the appropriate screw, we can make our adjustment. The mounts are much more aligned and ready for the experiment. When touching the jaws together, try to exert as little force as possible on the transducer side. For more information, please refer to the 420A user manual or additional resource videos found on the DMT website.